If you are running a bulk food store business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bulk food store business. Now managing new orders, providing product details and answering customer queries manually can take a lot of time. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. Welcome to my screen everyone. This is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and it will automate my bulk food store business by sending special offers, stock availability updates, and placing new orders for my customers. Now before I show you the step-by-step process of how to build this chatbot, I'll show you the real-time example of how this chatbot works. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. I've already connected this WhatsApp number to my Pabbly Chatflow. Now I will send a simple hi and let's see what happens. As you can see here, our chatbot instantly responds with this welcome message. Hi, welcome to Fresh Grains Bulk Food Store. How can we assist you today? And here we can see 3 quick reply buttons. If I select this stock availability button, I will get this message. Please select product category you want to check, grains, pulse, sugar, etc. Send product name or type manually if not listed above. If I type grains and pulse, it will show me the confirmation message. Now if I select this special offer button, here I will get the special offer list. As you can see, buy 50 kg rice, get 5 kg free. Now if I select this place order, it will asking me for details like product name, quantity, etc. So let's enter these details. Now it is asking me for date and delivery address. After entering date and delivery address, it is showing me a thank you message. Thank you for your order. We have received your request. Our team is checking stock and will confirm shortly. Expect a reply in the next 1 to 2 minutes. So that's how our chatbot works. Now let's see the process of building this chatbot. For this, you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before start creating our chatbot, I would like to give a meaningful name to our flow. Now on the left side of your screen, As you can see, these all are the tools which we are going to use to create our chatbot. And this is our starting node where our chatbot gets triggered either by a keyword, regex, or a template message. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user type that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With choose template, you can select and use any pre-approved template. In the regex section, we will add a universal regex that can detect any pattern and respond to the user accordingly. And if you want to enable case sensitivity in regex, you can do that from this option right here. Now let's start creating our chatbot. For that, you need to just drag and drop this hollow point like this and you will get few options: text plus button, media, lists, and etc. To create a welcome message and give quick replies to the user to select from, we will use text plus button. Now I will create a welcome message and create 3 buttons. As you can see, I've entered a welcome message for our users. Now first quick reply button, stock availability. Second one for special offer. And third one to placing new bulk orders. Now let's set up the response for the first quick reply button, stock availability. For that, I want to ask the user a question and store their answer. To do this, I will use ask question button. So I will go actions and select this ask question node like this, and when I drop, I'll get this node. As you can see, I've entered a question for the user, send product name or type manually if not listed here. Now I will create a contact custom field. Basically, in the contact custom field, whatever the user types, it will store in contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create this contact custom field, you can check the description box. Now I will select contact custom field and format as any. Now I will connect this stock availability node to this question node like this. Now I will create further response. For this, you just need to drag and drop this option like this and select text plus button. Now I will enter a message and this is our final message. We will check the current stock and update you shortly. Now I will create a response for this second reply button, which is special offers. For that, I will just drag and drop like this and select text plus button. As you can see, I've entered a special offer message. Now I will add 2 buttons, one to place new orders and another one to go back to menu. Let's set up this place order button first. For that, I need this ask question node. So I'll drag and drop like this. I will enter a question. Basically, I'm asking for the product name and quantity. And here, as you can see, I'm giving the example. Now I will select contact custom field and format as any. Now I'm going to create a copy of this same node by using this copy button. I've changed my message and contact custom field. I want to confirm these details from the user. For that, I will create a confirmation message. So I'll drag and drop this option like this, select text plus button, and I entered a confirmation message. As you can see, we are using this dollar symbol and contact custom field name to show the details stored in that particular contact custom field. And we are using these asterisk symbol to make our font bold. Now I will create 2 buttons, one to confirm the order and one to edit the order. Before proceeding further, don't forget to connect these nodes to their specific node. And I will connect this back to menu button to our welcome message. Now let's create further response for this confirm button. For that, I will choose again text plus button. I've entered a thank you message, as you can see. Now I will connect this edit button to our first question like this. Basically, whenever the user selects this edit button, they will redirect to this first question where we are asking for their product name and quantity, and then they will go further. Now for third quick reply button, place bulk order, you don't need to create another responses. You just need to connect this node with this question like this. And here we go. Our chatbot is completed. Now I will simply go ahead and click on this save button. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbot for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.